Here we have to solve the rest part of multiple choice question of ICSE 10 maths paper of 2025. 10 part of question number 1 says assertion and reason. In the assertion we have given an equation sin square a plus sin is equal to 1. On solving this one we know that we transpose sin square a on the right side, so it becomes 1 minus sin square a. The value of 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. So we have the relation sin a is equal to cos square a. Now in the second, the result is cos square 4a, cos 4a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Cos a to the power 4 becomes cos square a to the power whole square. Now from this relation, cos 4a becomes cos sin square a, and we know that the identity sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1. That means it is true. Now we move to the reason. The reason says 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square a. On transposing sin square a, we get the identity which is always true, that is sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1. It is also true. So option C is correct. Both assertion and reasoning are true, and reason is the correct reason for R is the correct reason for A. Now we move to 11th part. We have given triangle ABC and triangle EFG is similar triangle. So by property, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. So here is the ratio of their corresponding sides. We know that the value of AB here is given, which is 15. This is the value of AB, and the value of EF is 75. This one. The value of BZ is 3 is given. BZ 3 centimeter, and we have to find out EZ. On cross multiplication, we have EZ is equal to 75 into 3 upon 5. 15 5s are 75 and 5 3s are 15. So 15 centimeters is the correct answer. It holds option 1. Now we move to question number 1 part 12, in which we have given the volume of the sphere. The formula of volume of the sphere is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It means the relation is volume is proportional to radius to the power 3. So the relation becomes volume of first divided by volume of second is equal to cube of radius 1 upon cube of radius 2. The value of V1 upon 2 is given 27 upon 64. It becomes 3 by 4 whole cube. On taking cube root on both sides, we have this one. So it becomes 3:4. Here second option is 4:3. Don't confuse here, because the circle has greater volume, have greater radius. So option A is correct. Now we move to the 13th part. This question related to GST. The concept of intrastate GST is that the GST is divided into CGST and SGST. CGST is given. If 4%, it means SGST is double of CGST. So GST यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आपका 8. तो GST is equal to CGST plus SGST, and CGST and SGST are both are same. तो 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Now the price of article, जिसका जो प्राइस है मार्केट प्राइस है, उसमें आप जो है 5% ले लोगे, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा मार्क प्राइस में आप जो है ऐड कर दोगे ये. तो मार्क प्राइस जो है आपका ऐड करने पे आया 1485. सो इसका ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट हो गया. नाउ क्वेश्चन 14 पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज it is given an inequality. We have inequality that we to remove this denominator we multiply all side by 3. So 3 into 0 becomes 0, and 3 and 3 cancel out, minus x and minus 6. Now multiplying this inequality on all side by minus 1, the minus changes the sign of inequality. So less than sign becomes greater than in both sides. So we have x which is greater than minus 6 and less than 0. So our solution set lies between these two values, that is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and 0. So option A is correct in this case. Now move to the last question, that is the question number 15. Assertion is given the mean of 9 natural number is 45. The formula for mean is sum of natural number is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. 9 terms are here, so n by 2 is equal to first term 1 and last term is 9, 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10, it becomes 45. Now mean is equal to sum of data upon number of data, so 45 by 9 it becomes 5. But the value is given, we have 4.5, so it is false. Now the formula in region mean is equal to sum of all the observation upon total number of observation. This formula is absolutely true. So if we observe the option B says A is false and B is right. So this all is the multiple choice question of this paper. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will come with the next video solving next question of this one.